Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to sign up for Social Security benefits online only way. Go to the official Social Security website, create or sign into your My Social Security account, then click Apply for Benefits, complete the secure online form with your personal details, attach required documents, review for accuracy, and submit your application. You will get a confirmation and next step instructions by email or mail. Before you start the form, gather the documents you will need so the process is smooth and efficient. Keep your Social Security number, proof of identity, earnings statements, and banking details at hand. Scanned copies or clear photos work for uploading, and naming files clearly saves time. If you have service records or marriage certificates, include them now to avoid delays. Confirm file formats and sizes meet the website requirements before uploading. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for busy days and staying organized while you handle important tasks like applications. I found they reduce spills and make lunches simpler, which is helpful when you're dealing with paperwork. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work through the online form carefully, step by step, keeping your tone calm and focused. Enter accurate personal details, employment history, and any dependent information asked for. Upload supporting documents where prompted, and review each page for errors before moving on. Use the Save feature if you need to gather additional records and return later. Once submitted, note the confirmation number and expected timelines for review and decision notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.